हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे।
गर्भे प्रणीते देवक्या रोहिणीं योगनिद्रया अहो विश्रंसितो गर्भ इति पौरा विचुक्रुषुः भगवानपि विश्वात्मा भक्तानाम् अभयङ्करः आविवेशाय अंशभागेन मन आनकदुन्दुभे स बिभ्रत् पौरुषं धाम व्राजमानो यथा रविः दुरासदो अतिदुर्धर्षो भूतानां सम्बभूवः ततो जगन्मङ्गल अच्युतांशं समाहितं शूरसुतेन देवी दधार सर्वात्मकमात्मभूतं काष्ठायता आनन्दकरं मनस्तः सा देवकी सर्वजगन्निवास निवास भूतानितरां न रेजे भोजेन्द्र गेहे अग्निशिखेव रुद्धा सरस्वती ज्ञानकले यथा सती तां वीक्ष्य कंसः प्रभयाजितान्तरां विरोचयन्तीं भवनं शुचिस्मिताम् आहैष मे प्राणहरो हरिर्गुहां ध्रुवं श्रितो यन्न पुरेयमीदृशी किमद्य तस्मिन् करणीयम् आशु मे यदर्थतन्त्रो न विहन्ति विक्रमम् श्रियागाम् स्वसुर्गुरुमत्यावधोऽयं यशस्त्रियं हन्ति अनुकालमायुः स एष जीवन् खलु सम्परेता वर्तेत यो अत्यन्त नृशंसितेन देहे मृते तं मनुजा शपन्ति गन्ता तमोन्धं तनुमानिनो ध्रुवम् इति घोरतमाद्भावात् सन्निवृत्त स्वयं प्रभुः आस्ते प्रतीक्षंस्तज्जन्म हरेर्वैरानुबन्ध कृते आसीनः संविशंस्तिष्ठन् भुञ्जानः पर्यटन् महीं चिन्तयानो ऋषिकेशम् अपश्यत् तन्मयं जगत् ब्रह्मा भवश्च तत्रैत्य मनुभिः नारदादिभिः देवैः सानुचरैः साकम् गीर्भिर्वृषणमैडयन् सत्यव्रतं सत्यपरं त्रिसत्यं सत्यस्य योनिः नियतं च सत्ये सत्यस्य सत्यमृत सत्यनेत्रं सत्यात्मकं त्वां शरणं प्रपन्नाः एकायनोऽसौ द्विपलस्त्रिमूलः चतुरसः पञ्चविधः षडात्मा सप्तत्व अष्टविठपो नवाक्षो दशच्छदी द्विखगो ह्यादिवृक्षगा त्वम् एक एवास्य सतः प्रसूतिः त्वं सन्निधानं त्वम् अनुग्रहश्च त्वन्मायया संवृतचेतस त्वां पश्यन्ति नानान् विपश्चितो ये बिभर्षि रूपाणि अवबोध आत्मा क्षेमाय लोकस्य चराचरस्य सत्वोपपन्नानि सुखावगानि सताम् अभद्राणि मुहुः कलावनाम् त्वय्यम्बुजाक्ष अखिल सत्वधाम्नि समाधिनावेशित चेतसैके त्वत्पादपोतेन महत्कृतेन कुर्वन्ति गोवत्सपदं भवाब्धिम्.
Very nice, beautiful, reading so well. त्वत्पादपोतेन महत्कृतेन कुर्वन्ति गोवत्सपदं भवाब्धिम्. First class. Garbe pranite, the seventh Sankarshana. He has been transferred now to Rohini's womb. Rohini Yoga Nidra. All the people, that child was lost. But then the child doesn't last till the end. They get lost, no, in between. So it's a nikal gaya, miscarriage, dawn. अहो विश्रंसितो गर्भ इति पौरा Vichukrushuhu. Vichukrushuhu. Bhagavanapi Vishwatma. Vishwatma. He's everywhere. He doesn't have to come from some place to some other place. He's everywhere. Bhaktanam Abhayankaraha. Bhaktanam Abhayankaraha. He makes sure that we are trouble free so that we can enjoy Bhagavat. Otherwise, oh kaam hai mere ko, I have to finish that work, I have this thing, I have that commitment, I have this problem, then you won't be able to enjoy. So he makes sure that he removes all those things. So you're free to read Bhagavatam, free to hear Bhagavatam. That's what he wants. Avivesha amsha bhagena mana anaka dunduvehe. He's already in Vasudeva, but now he has come as the sankalpa that will lead to Krishna avatar. Bhutanam sambhabuvahe. Because of that, this particular Vasudeva already had great tejas. Now, because he is going to be instrumental in Krishna Avatara, he is shining more than the sun. Vrajamano yatharavihi. Tato jagan mangalam achyutamsham samahitam shurasutena devi dadara. He holds all the things in himself. Sarvatmakam Atma Bhutam. That Bhagavan she is going to hold in her womb. Jagan Mangalam Achyutamsham. Jagan Mangalam. He provides auspiciousness to everybody. Somebody reads, somebody speaks, somebody says his name, somebody hears his name. Doesn't matter. Sthovam Helanameva. Vaikuntanama Grahanam. You give that, you say the name Rama, you say the name Krishna, or any other name that you like, immediately Mangalam. Mangalam for you, Mangalam for people around you, Mangalam for the Jagat. Jagan Mangalam Achyutamsam. Garbhavasam is Vedambana. He's going to show himself like Kapila Vasudeva did, showed himself as the Guru. Here he's going to show himself as a baby coming in the next chapter. Garbhavasam, because then everybody will say, oh, Devaki Nandana. They can enjoy that. That is why Garbhavasam. Sa Devaki Sarva Jagan Nivasa Nivasa Bhuta. Nivasa Bhuta. They are in the prison. Bhojendra Gehe. Bhojendra Gehe. In the prison of this Kamsa. Like some sacred fire is contained in one kumbha, in one kalasha. Similarly, she is in the capture of this Kamsa. Virochayantim tam vikshya. Kamsa is seeing this tejas. Puriyam idrishi. How? She has had children before, but never such tejas. Maybe it is that pranaharo me harihi. I heard the story. He also has heard Prahlad Charitra. It's not Kamsa has heard Prahlad Charitra. So he's saying, Are oh Hiranyakashipu, he could have just let it be, Then that Prahlada would not have said he's in that pillar, and Narasimha would not have come up from that pillar and killed him. Why did he do all that messy things? So I also don't want to do anything like that here. Who knows? Maybe I will escape. That Asharira Vak said, Ashtamo Garbha. I don't want to mess with it. Me Pranaharo. Maybe. Some of the Vyakhyaanakartas say, when he got married, when Devaki and Vasudeva got married, Kamsa was ready to kill them. How come now he is not? He says that Tejas is such that even Kamsa's mind is changing. He is finding an excuse not to interfere with Devaki. Aste pratikshan janma. He's waiting. I want to take a chance now. Maybe if the Garbha is finished, maybe after the child is born, I may not be harmed because it said Garbha. So it's okay. Let that Garbha finish, he's thinking. But wherever he goes, Ahasinah samvishans tishtan bunjanah paryatan mahim chintayano rishikesham apashyat tanmayam jagat. What a blessing. Somehow, everything should remind you of that divinity. Asinah. When he is sitting, when he is standing, when he is eating, when he is lying down, whenever he is thinking, everything is reminding him of the Tejas that he is seeing in Devaki. Apashyat tanmayam jagat. Wherever he sees, he is thinking, oh, is this the Hari that is going to come as this avatara? Is this the Tejas? Is this the Hari? Is this the Tejas? Everywhere. So now he doesn't go to visit Vasudeva and Devaki. He's waiting for that Garbha to be done. So the Devas saw this as a good opportunity. Oh, no interference from Kamsa. Maybe we can go and offer some worship. Brahma bhavascha tatraitya munibihi narada didihi. All the great rishis, everybody has come. Girbihi vrashana maidayan, offering great worship. Great worship. Satyavratam satyaparam trisatyam satyasya yonim nihitam cha satye satyasya satyam rita satyanetram satyatmakam tvam sharanam prapannaha. Whenever I read Satyavratam, I'm always reminded of Ramayana. The confession. Satyavratam. He has Satya as his Vratam. Great Vratas, both of them. Rama has some great Vrata. Same Vrata Krishna has. Govardhana Leela, we are going to see. Satyaparam. Some people say Jagan Mithya, some people say Jagat Satyam. If we say that during Srishti, during Sthiti, Jagat exists, therefore it is Satyam, then he is beyond this Satya. Satyaparam. Trisatyam. Some other things may be Satya for some period of time. And then we say, oh yes, my grandfather used to say this, now he is no more. So he is not Satyam right now. He was Satyam at some point of time. But nothing like that for this God. Trisatyam Bhuta Bhavya Bhavat Prabhu. Yeah, Namamriki. Bhuta Bhavya Bhavat Prabhu. Trisatyam. Satyasya Yonim. Anything that we consider to be true has all come from him. Nihitam cha satye. The Satya that is inside is called Ritam. The Satya that is expressed is Satya. Ritagam Satyam Param Brahma Purusham Krishna Pingalam. Therefore, Satyasya Satyam Rita Satya Netram Satyatmakam Tvam Sharanam Prapannaha. All of us are offering worship to you, whom we know as Satyasya Satyam Rita Satya Netram. Because it is Brahma, Rudra and all the Devas, their worship is the Upanishads getting translated in easy words for us. Many of you know the story already about that divine tree in which two birds are existing. Mundakopanishad, you have seen. So they are saying, Ekayano so Dvifalastri Mula hai Chaturasa Panchavida Shadatma Saptatvigashtabitapo Navaksho Dashachadi Dvikhago Hyadi Vriksha hai. Divine tree, Vriksha hai. Dvikhaga hai. There are two birds in this tree. Ekayana so in this tree. Dvifala hai. This jiva is experiencing two fruits, Sukha and Dukkha. There are three roots, Sattvam, Rajas and Tamas. And in this tree, this jiva is experiencing 4 rasas. Chatu rasaha. 4 rasas he is experiencing. Dharmam, artham, kamam, moksham. Panchavidaha, 5 jnanendriyas. Shadatma, here Atma is Vikaram. You know, being born, existing, growing, changing, declining, and dying. Those are the Chad Vikaras. So those, he is assuming those to be his Atma instead of the true Atma. Easy चल रहा है Shadatma, Saptatvik, blood, flesh, fat, bones, marrow, all those things, 7 of them make this body. Ashtavitapo, Mahabhutas, Manam, Buddhi, Ahankara, Chitta तल रखाएंगे अनाले 8 Navaksha hai. Navaksha, you know, Puranjano Vakhyanam you have seen, Navadvara Pure Deke, 9 openings. Dashachadi. Dashachadi is the 10 pranas. We know the 5 pranas. Prana, Navanan, Vyanan, Udanan, Samanan. Then there is Nagan, Kurman, Krikalan, Devadattan, Dhananjayan. They make the 10 pranas. This forms this vriksha, which is this body. In that there is 2. You are the one. Tvamekaha eva asya sata prasutihi. For this vriksha, which is the body, you are the foundation. For this vriksha, which is the samsara, you are the foundation. Everything. Tvam sannidhanam, tvam anugrahascha. Only reason the world exists is because of your anugraha. Only reason we all exist is because of your anugraha. And only because of your anugraha, we realize that it is your anugraha. Lame Bhagavat Anugrah. Bhagavat Anugrah Thariyarde Bhagavat Anugrah. Tvatpada potena Mahatkritena Kurvanti Govatsapadam Bhavabdim. You take so many of these avatars, and those avatars then become grand stories. So many Maharshis give us those stories. Then we read them, we enjoy them, and so on. When we do that, Tvai Ambujaksha Akhila Sattvadhamni Samadhina Aveshita Chetasaike. When there is avataram, some Bhagavatam is there. Then somebody reads Bhagavatam. Then we remember, oh, this great Mahan said this in this context, in this Saptaham, this was said. So our minds are totally pulled towards the Leela, towards the Nama, towards the Guna, towards the Avatara Katha, towards the Bhakta Charitra, and therefore this samsara, which is a sagaram for other people, so difficult to cross, becomes Go Vatsa Padam Bhavabdim Kurvanti Go Vatsa Padam Bhavabdim. Because your stories let us touch your feet, and that make it easy for us to cross this samsara sagaram.